Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing one of the most common questions about Islam. Do Muslims worship God or Allah? Many people have heard the word Allah and assume that Muslims worship a different God from Christians or Jews. Some even think that Allah is a separate deity unique to Islam. But is that true? The answer is no. Muslims worship the same one creator worshipped by the prophets throughout history. The word Allah is simply the Arabic word used for God. In fact, if you open an Arabic Bible, you will find the word Allah used wherever the English Bible uses the word God. Arabic-speaking Christians have been using the word Allah for centuries, so the question is not whether Muslims worship Allah or God. The real question is, what does the word Allah mean? In Islam, Allah refers to the one true God, the creator of the heavens and the earth, the sustainer of all creation, and the only one worthy of worship. Everything depends on him, while he depends on nothing. Another interesting point is that the Arabic word Allah is unique. Unlike the English word God, which can become gods or goddess, the word Allah cannot be made plural and cannot be given a gender. This reflects the Islamic belief that God is one, unique, and unlike his creation. But Islam emphasizes something even more important than the name itself. A person may use the word God or the word Allah, yet still have an incorrect understanding of who God is. That is why Islam focuses on teaching the correct concept of God. According to Islam, God is one. He has no partners. He was not born, nor does he give birth. Nothing is comparable to him, and he alone deserves worship. The Quran presents this concept clearly and consistently. For Muslims, the goal is not simply to know God's name, but to know who he truly is. So, do Muslims worship God or Allah? The answer is both, because Allah is simply the Arabic word for the one true God. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos explaining Islam in a simple and clear way. May Allah increase us in knowledge and understanding. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.